Can you see me? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Woodness Goodness. I'm your host, Graham. And if you didn't realize it yet, or if you're new to the interwebs, this is the most incredible, possibly the most delicious YouTube channel on the current market of thy interwebs. As you can tell, the audio today is absolutely crispy because I put on this wireless microphone. How do you like this production quality, baby? Anyhow, guys, I get questions and comments almost every single video, so I'm gonna try and say a couple things before we get into it. This is a cabin on my property. I am currently living and building this bad boy in Virginia, United States of America, okay? 12 feet, shing, by 20 feet, shwung. Tallest wall here is 12 feet, shing, and the shortest wall is 8 feet. And with that, you get that nice little shed style roof. If you do the math with me, that is 244, or in French, 244 square feet, okay? 244 square feet, and that's what we're dealing with. Today, we are going to do what I have to do every few episodes and catch up on some random stuff that I skipped over because I'm just so excited. I cannot slow down or stop, and I skip over things that are probably important. Let's stop jibber jabbing and let's get into it, shall we? Boo, 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 boo. Everybody! Jeez, I need friends. I got two things here. I've got this little wheel on my drill. It's like this kind of coarse, spongy thing. And I picked myself up a Milwaukee multi-tool M12. Fantastic. There was some crazy deal with 2 batteries and a bag and a charger for 99 bucks on Home Depot website. So I had to pick it up, obviously. I mean, it's an investment and I don't want to lose money on this type of investment, so I obviously had to purchase it. But what should we try first? We're gonna try this wheel first. I don't think I need hearing protection, but that whitewash has really sunk into it. That might be the ticket. Okay. All right. Let's test out the stain and see if that helped. Okay, nice and easy, Graham. Nice and easy. Hey, that looks pretty good. It's not bad. It's really not that bad, actually. You just don't want to put too much of this stain on it because you don't want it to get too dark. You know what I'm saying? You know what? That's not bad. That is really not bad. That'll play out, I think. Honestly, it's really not that bad. Now, there's definitely other options. You guys had great ideas in regards to, like, you could put trim on it. You could do the rope trim, which I've seen before, which is kind of sweet. I don't know if the rope trim is the aesthetic I'm going for, but it could work. But this is actually working. Heck yeah, that looks really good. Well guys, we're gonna be okay. That actually looks pretty sweet. As long as, you know, the majority of that whitewash that's kind of bleeding through the stain is gone, I'm fine with just, you know, if there's a speck here and there, I don't think I'm gonna get, you know, lose sleep over it. I just move at such a clip, such a phenomenal speed. I'm just so competitive, and I have so much adrenaline that I skip over a lot of this detail work. But guess what? We're doing it now. All right guys, before we continue on this video, I just want to mention this video's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. We all know that I'm a semi-professional amateur, and well, learning is going to be clearly on the horizon for the rest of my existence. What's sweet about Skillshare is you are learning from people that are professionals in their industry, they're masters of their craft, and they are sharing their skills with you. If you use the link in the description below, the first 1,000 people will get a free trial of the premium membership. So you can go ahead and learn a skill of your own. Not only can you do graphic design, but you can learn how to do photography, you can learn how to video edit, which could be great because I know a lot of you guys are considering doing some cabin builds of your own. For me, I'm gonna do graphic design with Ellen Lupton. I wanna learn how to make my own stickers, I wanna make my own t-shirts, and possibly, you know, some more graphics and new designs one day. Not to mention, Skillshare is super duper affordable. It's only $10 a month, and I mean, I don't even know if there's more affordable ways to learn something sweet. So guys, be sure to click the link in the description below to get your free trial of Skillshare and up your game in something that you've always wanted to do and or learn it for the first time. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the video, shall we? So, I sanded the beams on the edges where a little bit of whitewash got, and quite honestly, it almost looks perfect. There's a couple spots where you can just, you know, slightly see the haze of the whitewash underneath, but all in all, it looks way better. Didn't take super duper long. And now we're just gonna quickly finish up whatever pine I didn't do, which is just a couple pieces, and get all that finished. And actually I gotta put some whitewash on this wall here. But we're doing it, baby. like a glove, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, love it. Pretty much got all the pine up. Yeah, no, I got all the pine up that I need to have up in order to finish the whitewash. I know it's crazy. I should have finished the whitewash at the same time. But anyhow, like just a couple pieces, this little wall here, because this is pretty thick, this big beam. And I think my trim will probably end up exposing a little bit of the pine. So I want to make sure it's there and it's whitewashed. Everything else around the windows, all these windows will have to be trimmed out, but I'm going to do that when I trim it out because I don't want to get ahead of myself. We all know what happens when Graham gets ahead of himself. So, we're going to just quickly whitewash this, and I think we're on to painting the ceiling after that. Yoo! Guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to paint the ceiling. I mean, there's nothing really else to say other than the most important thing that I can't stress enough. Let's get after it, baby. guys, that is the end of that Epi, baby. Thank you for watching. As always, guys, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out. And it just lets me know that there's still enough people in the world that like what I do. I hope you dug it. I hope you dig it. I hope you bury it too in your mind. Much love, be safe, and be sure to sprinkle some sawdust on it. Peace.